you're back with Chef Alora, and thank you for tuning in today. I'll be making some beer battered shrimp, and this is gonna be wonderful. I'm so excited. So I do have Corona Extra for the beer today because, you know, coronavirus and it's being real extra. And I was delighted that they had a Corona Extra at the store. So we shall be using it for our beer batter today. Also, in our beer batter, we will have flour and cornstarch. I've mixed it together well, and as always, the full list of ingredients are below in the description box. So I have here some salt, pepper, smoked paprika, cayenne, cumin, and pink salt. If I left anything out, again, everything is going to be down below. Oh, there's also garlic powder in there and onion powder. So I like to really season my batter for the shrimp or for fish, whichever you're going to use this for, but we're using it for shrimp today. And I just kind of pour a little bit. You're obviously not going to need this entire can. Oh, this smells so good. So you kind of just whisk this together until it starts to form a batter. When it comes to beer battering or, you know, most frying in general, you do not want to bread a bunch of ingredients, leave them out, and then wait for the oil to get hot. No, you need to let the oil get to temp and then get ready to fry. But I am going ahead to getting my batter out of the way because I like for my batter to be nice and lump free and have a little second to rest and settle. I do have another recipe for some coconut shrimp that I use a beer batter for, and that's delicious. So I'll have to share that with you guys. Comment below if you would like to see that as like a full meal or just the coconut shrimp. So that's the kind of batter I like. It's runny but still thick enough that I can, like, you know, dip the shrimp into. And then if you let your batter rest for maybe 5 minutes to 10 minutes, it's gonna be absolutely the perfect consistency. It's been about 7 or 8 minutes. My oil, it seems like it's very hot. A good way to test, take a little bit of batter and just do, and see that comes straight back up. So ready to go. I have some shrimp here that has been peeled, deveined, and it is thawed out. We're just gonna dip our shrimp into the batter, a little tap on the side there, and in. I'm so excited. Y'all, this is gonna taste weird. I think they could be a little darker. Give them a few more seconds in there. Now I'm just gonna take these out of here. And that really didn't take any time at all. So I'm just gonna do a few more batches and show you at the end.
Super taco, let's go. Shrimp, slaw, green sauce is amazing. So many vegetables in there. You gotta get the recipe on my blog. Oh, avocado, cilantro, some picos, pico de gallo, and a little bit more cilantro for the culture. Prettify the plate, yes. And we're done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, and I'm gonna see you next week, guys. Love you.